All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're gonna be putting a nice long-term durability protection on our grill, and this stuff is gonna make cleanup a breeze. Water just doesn't stick to it. It's slick to the touch, and it looks shiny and amazing. If that interests you, you're in the right place. Let's get started. If you're not hungry, you will be now. I'll tell you what, those burgers came out amazing. They not only look good, but they tasted insane. Good smoke level, good cook. Now this Monument Grill came in a box and I quickly put it together. Actually, it took about an hour with a couple easy tools, but that's neither here nor there. Let's talk about how we protect the grill and when we want to protect it. Now, there are several circumstances that I think protection is a must. Let's say you have an old grill and you're like, man, I want this thing to be easy to clean. I want it to look nice and I want it to last. I want to bring it back to like new. We'll get it all cleaned up. I got a good video for you. I'll leave a link in the description. How to clean your old grill back up to like new and get it prepped and ready for that protection. The other case is you buy a brand new grill. You spent all your hard-earned money and I want to keep this thing looking amazing for many years to come. I want to put some good protection on it. That's for you too. Another one is you live in an area where you can't grill year-round and this thing is going to sit on the side of the house with a cover on it and just get hammered by the elements. This protection is going to protect you from that also. So the first thing we're going to do is I have a product here. It's half isopropyl alcohol, half water, and we're gonna spray it all over the entire exterior of the grill, every inch. If it's an old grill, we gotta get everything off of it. If it's a brand new grill, there still could be oils and residue from the manufacturing process that has to be removed in order to give that spray protection the best opportunity to stick to the paint. We'll spray it on each panel, we'll wipe it, and you'll see because it's alcohol, it's evaporating immediately. Just keep applying it, keep wiping it until that surface is sparkling clean with no residue whatsoever. That's important. The key is in the prep. Today we're going to be using one of the most durable spray protections I've come across in the auto detailing business, and we're going to put it on that entire exterior minus the heated area, the cook box, the area that gets hot. So all the extremities, the legs, the sides, but nothing that gets hot because I got a cool product for that. So we'll start by spraying it on. We're gonna wipe this left to right, up and down. The idea with that crosshatch pattern is to get full coverage on the entire surface. Flip the towel, wipe it clean. You're gonna feel immediately, wow, this is slick. This is starting to shine like crazy. It's the protection that you wish it had right from the factory. And wow, look at that, that's shiny and amazing. Then we're just going to continue around the entire grill, one side at a time. So one small section, wipe it on entirely, flip the towel and buff it off. We don't want to leave this product setting on there for any longer than it has to. It's a spray on, leave it on there for just a few seconds, flip the towel and wipe it clean. I like to put it on every single surface, and wow, I can't say it enough how slick this stuff is. Immediately you can feel it. And use as much of it as you want to, like go around to all the legs, all the axles, just everywhere. What that's gonna do is protect it and make it last a long time. Now it's time to protect the grill box. This grill box gets hot. This thing gets up to over 400 degrees. Typical spray sealants for auto detailing just aren't gonna cut the mustard. So I brought in a product, Metal Coat. This is a ceramic nano coating. This is designed for stainless, chrome, aluminum, generally bare metals, but I found it works really good on painted surfaces too. It can handle extremely high heats. I've seen it on exhausts, things that just get almost red hot, and it still produces good durability. So I'm really excited about this product. So we'll apply it onto the microfiber towel, use a decent amount. Again, we want full coverage. I only really want to do this once in a while, and I want to make sure I get every surface covered. Wipe it around. If you need more, come back, put more product on. It doesn't require the product setting on the paint. Once you get full application, you can just go ahead and flip the towel over and buff it off, and you'll feel immediately, wow, that feels slick, and you'll see that shine coming forward, and you'll just be super happy about it, I guarantee it. We'll move on around to the front of the grill. Again, I want to get that entire area that gets hot. I want every square inch of this grill protected. Everything that doesn't get hot gets done with the spray protection. Everything that does get hot gets done with the metal coat, the high heat. food safe stuff. But we don't want to go inside the grill box. Even though it's food safe, I want to stay out of there. That's where the food is. I even managed to come up and hit the chimney. I just hit everywhere. I want this thing to be easy to clean. And I'll tell you what, it's butter slick and feels awesome. I even went ahead and hit the grease strip container too. I figured, why not? So here's what it looks like after. Look at that. That looks amazing. That's way better than new. Super shiny, glossy, slick to the touch, everything you could possibly want. And I'll tell you what, it's very easy to do and doesn't cost much money either. And look at that, everything down to the legs. I didn't do the wheels because I didn't want them sliding all over the place. But again, we didn't do the interior of the grill. But I do recommend, washing some stuff out. If you have a brand new grill, maybe wash your grates, wash that drip tray. And once you get it put back together, I recommend a 30-minute minimum high heat burn of about 350 degrees. That'll burn all that manufacturing residue out of the cook box and you'll be all set and ready for your first grill of the season. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all it takes to get your grill, your gas grill, your Komodo Joe, your egg, or your pellet grill, or you name it. Anything that you want to protect in the grill world, this stuff's going to do it. I'll leave links to all these products down below, including the grill. This thing's amazing. This thing worked good. I'm super happy with it. I'm going to add it to my grilling arsenal. And if you have any questions whatsoever about grill care, how to wash it, how to protect it, leave it down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as quick as I can. So after having the grill for about a month, I decided, you know what? I want to do a 1-month update on these products just to show you that you're going to get some longevity out of them. Now the grill looks amazing. It's been living out on the cookout area, my yard, and I've had multiple cookouts on it. It's worked great, but let's see how it cleans up. We're just going to take normal tap water in a spray bottle, a microfiber towel, spray it onto the surface, and I can tell you, it's just beading off the surface. Look at that. Nothing sticks to it, and that's what's so awesome about these products. They last long, and the surface tension on them, it's just super slick. Everything that's not supposed to be on there falls off. And that heat box just wipes clean. So that tells me right now that that ceramic coating is just working amazing on there. And all in all, I'm super happy with it. If you're interested in taking good care of your equipment, these products and supplies and techniques are they're gonna do you well, I guarantee it. And thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah.